1 pound of minced beef, 3 to 4 tablespoons of dry roasted gram flour, half teaspoon crushed red chilies, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon carom seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 1 tablespoon dried pomegranate seeds, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 large egg, 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 onion, and 6 to 8 green chilies. Now I will thinly slice and dice all the vegetables. Let's combine all the ingredients that we prepared earlier: the vegetables, egg, ginger garlic paste, all the dry spices. Once everything is in the bowl, we are going to knead it like a dough for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then cover it and let it rest for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. It's up to you. Turn on the flame on medium-high. Put a skillet on, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil of your choice. Then we'll take the minced beef and we are going to start making the kebabs. We'll take a little bit in our hands, make it a flat kebab, as round as possible. Then put a slice of tomato, it's optional, and then we're going to put it on the skillet and fry it for 3 to 5 minutes. Repeat. After 3 to 5 minutes, you make sure that they are hard on the bottom, and that's when you're going to flip. If they're not hard, don't flip them, they're going to break. Once they are done, we're going to take them out on a tissue paper. They are ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.